A very good afternoon, everyone. I, Kashish Kansal, student at CPJ campus, welcome you all wholeheartedly at the 11th National Management and IT Fest, Marketech 2025, held at CPJ College of Higher Studies and School of Law. So here with me are some participants for today's event. Hi, kindly introduce yourself.
My name is Mokshan and I am here representing Management Education and Research Institute, New Delhi.
Hi, myself Gurleen here, and I'm also representing Mary College.
We welcome you wholeheartedly. So what motivated you to participate in Marketech 2025?
Basically, as we know that emerging technologies and future trends, so we got an opportunity to come over here in CPG College and meet the various judges from top scholars, and they are from various institutes, top institutes, Delhi University. So that encouraged us to take part in and present our research paper over here in this national conference.
In whichever way we are able to contribute in this 11th Market Tech of yours. So that was the main motive that we participated over here.
How do you think Marketech helped you learn beyond the regular classroom experience?
In regular classrooms, we couldn't learn these things. Like AI is not yet implemented in our IPU syllabuses and course outlines. So here we today representing emerging technologies and future trends research paper. So that basically help us dive into the various trends over AI, as AI is replacing the whole world and technology nowadays.
Also, there were research scholars present over here, so we were able to view what their views on this particular topic, which is market tech and related to new technologies that are emerging. So we wanted to gain more knowledge through these seminars.
I would want you guys to rate your experience from 1 to 10.
Till now, the experience was like 8 because it's well going, but some constraints were there with time, as told, but it's not going beyond time. So that's the only reason.
Yeah, same here. It would be an 8 because we were able to get a lot of insights from the scholars, and overall, it was a nice experience.
Thank you so much, and I wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.